What's up guys, and welcome to the 28th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about the volatile type qualifier. So without further ado, let's start the video. But before we do that, let's just explain what volatile even means in terms of programming. So, a volatile variable is the opposite of a constant variable, which you saw in the previous tutorial. The volatile type qualifier tells the compiler the program could be changing the variable in unseen ways. Those ways are implementation dependent. One possibility is by a synchronous interrupt service routine. The compiler must know about such a variable so the compiler does not optimize its access in ways that would defeat the external changes. So, we can say volatile int val equals 300, and now say int main, get into the main program. Have a for loop again. Initialization should be int ctr equals 100. The condition can be ctr is less than val. Increment this ctr plus equals 50. Remove this. Another statement can be std cout ctr semicolon and say ctr again. Have a new line and remove this. Close that off. Save all this. So where it says volatile int val equals 300, that is a volatile declaration. We can now execute this and see what we get. Hopefully we should get ctr semicolon or colon 100 all the way up to 250, and it goes up in 50s like the previous tutorial. But this is volatile. That was the const type qualifier. This is the volatile type quantifier or qualifier. So build succeeded. So ctr 100 all the way up to ctr 250, and it goes up in 50s. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.